install, and we're installing a Hasport mount. This is the 82A version. They make the 82 and the 62. The difference between these is that the 82 is a little bit more aggressive. What this will help you do is shift a lot easier, less stress on the transmission, and it'll eliminate wheel hop when you do like gigs. We got the car on jack, so now we just need to get right under. Alright guys, so I'm under the car. Here is the motor mount. You do need to take off this tray that surrounds the oil pan on the back of here. It's a 19, a 17 in there. Have the mount on. Now we just need to put the tray back on. Alright guys, so the first thing that y'all guys notice when y'all have this mount on, you get a lot more vibration, mainly on low RPMs. What I noticed when I was starting is that it shifts a lot better and there's less like slack. Alright guys, I'm getting on the highway and I'm gonna do just a little pull just to see what the difference is with the mount, but already I can feel the vibration. For sure, I feel a hell of a lot more difference with the new mount. Like I could shift a lot easier and it doesn't like bang shift. A lot of people do this upgrade and the stock engine mount does move a lot, so I feel like y'all guys need this as a necessity. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.